If you want to develop some course material, some presentation, some video, first thing required is that you make a relevant ambience for the purpose. And that requires you should have a bit of tea coffee, a bit of music, a camera, a laptop, a desktop, and a TV. You arrange one by one like this. Now, have some snack that you like. I like this. Fat-free, marinated, grilled chicken liver masala. Absolutely perfect. It may cost you about 220 rupees in a hotel, but it's not a first choice. You can prepare it at home also, vegetarian version of that, which is given in the link that I have provided below. Alternatively, you can go for a vegetarian dish. Haldiram's roasted, salted bean masala grams. That will be as per the taste. And in just 10 rupees, you can have a writing session. Okay? Now, take the cup provided to you by a Strategic Management Forum in its 18th annual convention from 7 kettle, and keep it like this and switch on so that the vitamins boil. 17 to 19 December 2015. Okay? Is this clear? Is this clear? Is this clear? 2015 at IFT Delhi, 18th annual convention. If you don't have, ask Professor Rangarajan, he will provide you. Okay? It's tea. If you like Girnati, I like cardamom Girnati. You can have Vagmati also. With sugar or without sugar, there is sugar free, with sugar. Don't forget, if you are diabetic and you are having sugar free, don't forget to have sugar free tablets, sugar free Natura, 1 pill, ready for tea. The water is boiling. Put 1 packet, open the packet, and put the tea in the cup, the pill in the cup, and pour hot water and stir for 5-6 times, and your tea is ready. Then you take the plate of the snacks and start thinking of what to write, how to write. Don't forget, there is one more element before you start, and there is adding some music to it. Bring it. Now that you are ready, it's time. Have a sip. Next one. Yes. Especially the one that you have prepared yourself. Liver masala. Or fried liver. And you have your tea. lemongrass, and then eat. Start playing. And if by any chance you don't like it, you can play 50 years old song. Once you have finished it, then you can simply bookmark everything possible. Okay?